this is my honest review of the BLUEAIR Air Purifier. So I really like this product. I've tried a couple different air purifiers over the years, but this one has become my new favorite. A couple features that I really like. One, I love the size of this. It's very compact. As you can see, it's tall, but it doesn't take up much space, no wider than the width of my hand right here. So I love just the size. You can easily put this in a corner or next to a furniture piece underneath a nightstand that's elevated. It's just very, very discreet in the big picture. Definitely does not take up much room or draw much attention to itself. Plus, it's got this decorative pattern around the outside, which is a nice feature as well, just making it a little bit more visually appealing. This does a fantastic job at purifying your air. When we change the filter, you'll see that over the months that we have it, before we change our filters, it collects dust and particles and just really helps clean the air, giving just a cleaner sense of breathability in your room. I just think this product does a fantastic job. Changing the filter is extremely easy. This is quite productive. It does a fantastic job. Different variable settings, as you can see on top, and an on-off button. And overall, a very high quality purifier. Like I said, I've tried different ones before in the past, but this one has become my new go-to. I have this in my living room. I also have one of these in the primary bedroom, just because I think it does a fantastic job. It's not overly loud and just produces higher quality, cleaner air.